Everybody hi. Today's topic, when nature chooses. The hidden logic of optimality. What optimality actually means? Optimality, as used here, is neither a cosmic purpose nor an ethical ideal. It names a structural pattern found across all classes of systems. Wherever many possible states meet strict constraints, reality settles not into chaos, but into configurations that are stable, reproducible, and economical. The principle of optimality is not imposed from outside. It is the inner logic of how matter organizes itself. The physical level. Law without intent. At the physical level, optimality is written directly into natural law. The principle of least action specifies that a system realizes the trajectory for which actions is stationary. No foresight required, no striving involved. Light and electrons do not choose optimal path. Every other path is simply destroyed by its mismatch with constraints. Optimality here is a boundary between what can persist and what cannot. The biological level. Survival as sufficient optimality. As a biological level, the same logic operates through a different mechanism. Evolution filters rather than designs. The organisms we observe are not ideal solutions, but sufficient ones. Local compromises among energetic, spatial, and temporal limits that manage to survive long enough to replicate. The cell already embodied this principle through the thread of substrate, action, and feedback, even without awareness of it. The reflexive level. Intelligence models its own law. At the reflexive level, something fundamental shifts. Complex neural and artificial systems can model the very law they enact. For the first time, a system can debate what better means, moving optimality from automatic behavior into deliberate design. Ignoring these deep structural constraints makes any design system fragile. Nature does not punish deviation philosophically. It simply erases configurations that cannot endure. Thanks for likes and sharing.